Hello everyone, my name is Vakarasan and you are watching AI Studio. This is our second project about OpenCV. Basically, this project is about road line detection. It is an important component of many advanced driver assistance system. It used in autonomous vehicle system. It allows a vehicle to determine its position on the road and stay within its lines for ensuring the safety of the person. So let's get straight into the project. Okay, so basically first of all we will close this previous which is from the starting. Okay, we will start from the beginning. Okay, so what you will have to do, first of all you will open your Jupyter notebook. From here I will open my Jupyter notebook. Okay, when it will be open, so from here I will create a new Python file. Okay, so first of all, I will give him the name which is about the road lane detection system. Okay, let's zoom this out. Okay, now here we will write our code, but before writing the code, we will save our file. Okay, so from here you will save our file. Okay, so first of all, I will import CV2. After that, I will import my numpy as np. Okay, so basically we have a video about a road. So from there we will capture and draw the lane detection. Okay, so here I will give him the name video which is uh, equal to cv2 dot video capture. Previously we will use this, so I hope you will understand. And here I will give him the path which is on the desktop. Okay, and the name of the video is road video dot mp4. Okay, after running this, what will I do? I will apply a condition here which is while true. Then what will happen? Okay, here I am defining a return function. Okay, and the frame which is or frame which is equal to video dot read. Basically I want to read my video, and if it not read, then it will return. Where it will return? It will come to video which is equal to cv2 dot video capture. Video capture, and here I will give him the path again. So I am copying this and I will paste it here. Okay, after that I will continue that. So here continue. Okay, now what I I want to do that my video frame is blur. Okay, so here I will use my Gaussian blur function here. Okay, which is frame is equal to cv2 dot Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur, and Gaussian blur is the basically or frame. So that's why I am writing the or frame. And here let's suppose I am giving him the value 5 by 5. Okay, so here I will put 0, and after doing this, what I want to do, I want to convert my BGR to HSV scale. So for this purpose, what I will do, I will write HSV which is equal to CV2 dot CVT color, CVT color, and here I will give him the frame which I want to convert. So here I will use the command cv2 dot color, which is actually the bgr to hsv. Okay. So now I will define the limits here. Basically, these are the limits, which is lower y, which is equal to np dot array, np dot array, and here I will put the values. Let's suppose I am putting my 18, 94, and 140. Okay, so now this is the basically lower limit. Now I will set the upper limit here, which is upper y, which is equal to np dot array, and here I will again give him the range of the values, so which is 18 to 55 and again 255. You can select the range from your own choice depending upon the condition. After writing this, I will define a mask function here, which is mask is equal to cv2, which is in range. And what will be the range? Basically hsv and lower range, comma upper range. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to deduct my edges. Okay, so for the edge detection, as we already told you, we use Kenny edge detector. Okay, so I will write here edges, which is equal to cv2 dot Kenny Kenny of that mask function, and here I will give him the values, let's suppose 74 and 150 here. Okay, now our edges are detected. After that, I will draw the lines of that edges. So what will I do? I will write lines, which is equal to cv2 dot hough, hough lines, and here I will write the edges, comma 1. Here I will use np dot pi divided by 180. So here I will put the values 50, and the maximum line gap, which is equal to 30. So here you can change the gap and the values according to your circumstance or your pixel of the videos. Okay, so now here I will write if line is not none, then what will it do? For line in lines, for lines in lines. Okay, so here I will define my coordinate, which are x1 y1 comma x2 y2. Okay, which is equal to line, and this is 0. Okay, so now what will I do? I will here define the cv2 dot line function, and here I will give him the frame value, and now I will define the coordinate here, which are x1 y1 comma x2 comma y2, and here I will put the values, which are 0 to 55 and again 0. Here I will put the value, let's say 5. Okay, so now I want to show my this frame. So here I will put the command cv2 dot imShow function, which is the frame. Okay, and here I will write frame, Okay. Now what I want, I also want to show my edges. So here I will again use the imshow function, cv2.imshow, and here I will define the edges. Here I will write edges and edges. Okay. Now I want to stay my video or image. So that's why here I will use the wait key command. So now key is equal to cv2 dot wait key, and here I will put the values, and if I write if key value is 27, okay, then it will break. Okay, now run this. Here offlines there is some error. Okay, so we will remove the error from here. Now it are showing that numpy has don't py function. So here I will again check this out. Now from here you can see that the edges are very clear from that video. It are detecting that edges. So in this way you can create your own edge detector by using OpenCV. Okay. So for more videos, keep watching AI Studio. Thank you very much.